Guys, don't you just freaking hate it when this happens? Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's cat paws all over. Homie decided to climb up the top. Even marks all through there. Walk around it. Decided to slip and slide down the rear windshield. Go down this way. And then slide right there down. I don't know why he just can't go, or she just go around, or the other way. He literally has to go on top of the car across. For what reason? I don't know, man. Welcome back for a new video, guys. Thank you all for tuning in. Your boy needs some gas. We have 27 miles to empty. This whole gas shortage crap like took a toll on us here in Texas. For what reason? I don't know. We weren't even part of that shortage. We caused our own shortage. So I've been like running low on fuel for the past like 2 days. I heard the gas, like the lines are back to normal. There shouldn't be an issue. But yesterday and the day before, there was like an hour and a half wait. There was like 20-30 cars in line to put gas, and it sucks, man, because I have 20-30 miles left. The good thing is that my job is about 3 minutes, about a mile, maybe less than a mile away from my house. So that was not an issue with gas. I've been rolling with like 40 miles up to right now that I have 27. So that's that. But dude, it's so stupid. Like everything was on the Florida side, on the east side over there, on the lower east side, and I don't know why. I guess people don't read like through the lines. They just see the headlines like gas shortage or something happened with the pipelines, and everybody just automatically ran towards a gas station and started putting gas, and nobody really had nothing to do with us here in Texas. We caused our own gas shortage here by ourselves. Like, we're the ones who did that. It's so stupid. Look how badass that looks inside freaking garage. He officially has his own garage where, I mean, I kind of have the opportunity now. We can work on the car in here thanks to him. I have my garage pending soon. When I get my house, I'm gonna have a garage too. But we forgot one thing, guys. When I said we were finished with the build, for some reason, I guess because I was in a hurry to get the car back, we forgot to put the drill slaughter rotors on the rear. I don't know how that happened. They're on that side. The front ones have it. You can see right there, but I don't know why or how we forgot them, but they're over here. And I've been riding around for about a month since I got the car with no seatbelt. It's still messed up. I got the new one back there. This one doesn't retract at all. It's just loose hanging there, and I can't even, like, it goes across, like, but I can't fit in there. Like, I'm not that slim. I'm kind of a heavy duty type of guy, and that won't fit. So gonna get the new seatbelt on today. Gonna put the new drill slaughter rotors on there. Meanwhile, he works on that, guys. I'm gonna show you something real quick. We have a 5.0 Coyote just sitting here. He offered it to me. How much you say you want it?
2,000.
For that or for everything?
For the engine.
2K for the engine. It's off of a what, F-150?
F-150.
It's an F-150 5.0. It's pretty much the same thing. It's just a what? How much horsepower difference?
It's like 360.
He does have the full setup. He has the long tubes. He has the transmission. All this is for his Fox. Everything you need for the swap is here. He offered it to me, but I told him I was thinking of going the whole boost route. So, I mean, it's still an option. It's there. If you don't go through this, what are you thinking of doing? If you sell it?
Nothing.
What are you gonna put in the Fox?
Either that or that.
Yeah, so that's for his Fox. He does have a YouTube channel where he's rebuilding his Fox. He's restoring it. It's Forgotten Fox Body. If you haven't checked it out, guys, go ahead and subscribe to him. Check out his videos. But he is working on this Project Fox there. This, if nobody buys it, it's gonna go in his Fox. Everything is here. Look at it, man. Long tubes. This is a manual transmission. Because you have your Fox is what, the SLP, right? Or is the SOP? What you call it?
SSP.
SSP. Sorry, the SSP one, the Straight Trooper one. So he's pretty stoked about it. You've had it since what? You're in high school?
2010.
Yeah, since we were in high school, man. He's had that Fox. He's been working on it. It would be nice if I can go ahead and do a 5.0 swap. But I think y'all said the V6 would be a better and a funner build if we go ahead and boost it.
Those 6 nuts in your mouth.
This is mine or yours? Try freaking taking off the rotor and this crap happens. It freaking broke. Looks so much better, gives it more of a race style look to it, and supposedly they perform better as well. But looks wise, it got it down. Now I have the front and the rears. We're gonna work on that last one and then move on to the seatbelt. All with the old, in with the new. Finally, Chicas guy, dude. Finally gonna have it working. Finally gonna have it working seatbelt, guys. So this guy's messing around with me. So safety first. About a month and a half later, I've been driving it around, risking it, but finally gonna have that seatbelt on. We found a gas station with no traffic. Got $44 of gas right here. Paying $3.23. That's how much I get for a full tank on premium. I know some of you guys like in the California area are probably paying like 60, 70 bucks, like around there. I don't want to pay 60, 70 bucks for my V6, you know, for a full tank. That's tough. So I paid right now $44.68 for a full tank. I had around 18 miles to empty, so that's pretty much a full tank. It's 13.7 gallons. I think it's 14 gallons for the V6 for the 3.7. So I'm sorry, man. For some of you guys who are paying those high prices right now, it sucks, man. I feel you guys. I know a lot of people in Texas are still complaining. These gas prices are super expensive, like at $3 and stuff like that, man. You guys are paying $4, maybe close to $5. God bless you, man, because those prices are insane. All right, guys, we got the goods. We got dinner for tonight, but I just wanted to catch you guys up. I don't want to lie to you guys what happened with the car. We did forget to install those things on the car. We forgot to put the rear rotors and the seat belt, like I said. I mean, that was pretty dangerous of me to be risking it without those seat belt. I traveled to the island, which is like a 2-hour trip on the highway, and that was pretty dangerous. My wife told me about it, but I still went ahead and did it. But just wanted to keep you guys updated. I don't want to keep any secrets from you guys, but I did want to touch a topic before we break off, guys. Y'all remember the car show I went to about a week ago, that video, the last video I posted? Well, guys, I told y'all if I won something, I was going to get a call back, and your boy got a call back. And not only did I win a trophy, we got first place, baby, representing first place. I don't know how, but I don't think I told you guys, but I was getting a lot of compliments on my wheels. A lot of people really like those bronze gold wheels that I have on the car right now, and it just really tied everything together, because when I lifted up the hood, I gave it a little quick detail. I have my cold air intake painted gold, and I have the fuse box painted gold as well. So I have a few gold accents painted under the hood, and then with the wheels, I guess it just helped tie everything together. And it had the people, you know, like, it caught their eye. It had the people on the car asking me questions throughout the show. It was just a really good turnout, and it kept a lot of people interested in the car. So I did win only in the Mustang category. There's a bunch of cars, but I only placed first place in the Mustang category. There was a total of 6 Mustangs, yes, but keep in mind, I competed against 4 5.0s, and it was a V6 and me, which was total of 6 cars. But the other 5.0, guys, was bagged and boosted. Havoc S550, George. I don't know how I beat you, man. That's crazy. I mean, I would have chosen your car to win first place over mine. I think it was cleaner, and it's just a lot more modded. And I mean, to me, it's just, it catches the eye more than mine. But I guess it was the gold wheels that did it. Any other show, George would win. I guess because it was the people's choice, and maybe not a lot of people know what's going on in George's build. They just like the gold wheels, like I said, caught their attention. So I did take home a trophy. I went to go pick it up. First time I won a trophy in, I don't know, maybe years, guys. Kind of motivated me to do more car shows and try to keep the car, I guess, cleaner and just more presentable for car shows. There's different phases that I go through, guys, and I was in a, I guess, appearance phase that I focused on the car, was just appearance, aesthetically, making it look like the best that I can. And I think I've reached the point where it looks pretty good. Maybe I'm about 70% done with it. There's still a lot more that I want to do, but right now in the phase that I want to transition into, or that I am right now currently, is the performance phase. So I want to start doing some performance mods to it. I know just having the car looking a lot better makes me feel a lot better as well. Just having it perform better should bring better content for you guys that are watching. So it should be a lot more fun. So if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. Just that way y'all can stay updated with the build and future videos. Drop a like, guys. Leave a comment down below. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. So I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.